Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID not recognizing face. If you're using any iPhone and your Face ID is not recognizing your face, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that your front camera or your in-depth camera is clear, there is no any dirt or dust on it, or if you have to clean your camera. And once you have cleaned your front camera, you just have to try again. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you have to simply open up your settings, and the first step is that you have to check if there is any software update available. So go for general, go for software update, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you have anyone, you have to try to update your software, because sometimes it might be that your system software is not up to date, so you can get these type issues. So you have to tap on this update now option and your system will up to date. Once you updated your system, it might be that your problem will be fixed, or if it doesn't, so you have to go to your settings, and here you will get the face ID password option. Simply tap on that, and here you have to enter your iPhone passcode. Once you have entered, you will get this touch screen. Here you will get the option of reset face ID. You have to tap on it, and your face ID will be resetted. Once you have reset your face ID, you have to set up your face ID again. So simply tap on this setup option, and here tap on get started option, and here you have to set up your face. And once you have done, you will get this type screen that you can use your face ID with mask. If you want to try this feature, you can easily tap on this option and your face ID with mask will be ready, but I'm going to set up it later. And that's all. Now your iPhone will easily recognize your face, or your face ID will be easily work. So in this way, you can easily fix if there is any issue that your face ID is not recognizing your face in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.